welcome back to Didsbury Art Studio. I'm Sally, if you haven't met me before, and thank you so much for new subscribers this last week. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be doing some scrunchies, some Liberty scrunchies. Also going to be doing a Liberty face mask, and this time it's a little bit of a different style. So I'm going to do the face covering and the scrunchies, and they're all Liberty fabric. Do some larger scrunchies because I had some more fabric. So they look slightly different to these smaller ones that I've done, but really I invested in getting some Liberty squares, and so I've kind of gone a bit crazy doing the scrunchies and the face coverings. So if you want to find out how to make them, then stick with me this morning, and let's get into it. So now we're going to turn it the right way around. So you just put your fingers inside the scrunchie. Okay, once you've done that, you turn over one side just to hide the raw edge there, and then you're going to tuck in the other side. Like that, so that the seams join, like so. See that? And then we're just going to do a straight stitch on the sewing machine down here. So these two are the slightly shorter fabrics, because the Liberty fabrics that I bought as squares were quite a bit shorter than the recommended sort of 45 centimeters long fabric. Those two. And then these aren't Liberty fabrics, so I did 45 centimeters in length and 10 in width, and you can see those are a little bit more ruched. I hope you enjoyed the video. I've got lots of scrunchies and I'm going to be making some more masks, and I hope you really want to make some now. So yep, I've got my little scrunchie matching top, and yeah, really happy with them. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, please give me a like, and if you are new to me and you want to subscribe, then that would be absolutely brilliant. And I post 2 videos a week. I do one at the weekend and another one on a Tuesday. So I'm going to be doing that every week from now on. Thoroughly enjoying it. As you know, I'm an art teacher. Just want to get into sort of sharing the skills that I've learned over the years, but also learning different things along the way myself and sharing those with you. It would be great to hear from you. Let me know if you've made stuff with Liberty fabrics before. And yeah, don't forget I'm on Instagram at Didsbury Art Studio. Okay then, take care and I'll see you soon. Bye!